Good morning. Able to hear me?
Yeah, all loud and clear, Naveen.
Yeah. Okay. So last session we have created profit centers, profit center standard hierarchy. And today we will see how to change profit center and how to display the changes in profit center and how to delete a profit center part. So with this, we will complete the basic configuration of uh, the entire SAP. And next we will move to the basic module called GL Master. Okay. So here we have created, I'll show you what is the profit centers we have created, standard hierarchy. See here. So we have created profit center standard hierarchy with the name of BCOA. That is nothing but Birla Controlling Area underscore profit center standard hierarchy. Under that, we have nodes, like one node is profit and corporate profit center group. Next one, BI01, company code BI01, right? Under that, BI02 and BU01. Under that corporate profit center group, we have created one corporate profit center. This is nothing but B9000. That is nothing but Birla Corporate Profit Center. And next, this is called node 1, node 2, and node 3, right? This is called main group, subgroup, and this is profit center. And total we can create up to 9 nodes, 9 levels. Clear? And the last node or last level should ends with profit center. The last node should ends with profit center, the last level. If any node is not ending with the profit center, then it is considered as an incomplete node. Then it is considered as an incomplete node. Clear? So here again under profit center, so this is one node, and this is second node, this is third node, and this is fourth node. So this node started with profit center standard hierarchy, Birla controlling area of BI01, and one plant MP100 BI01, and under that we have a profit center, manufacturing plant 100. Under that, the last node ends with the profit center. That is nothing but Patan profit center, Patan Cheru profit center. Clear? In the same way, we have created B1000, B1100, B1200, and next one under BI02. This is for BI01 company code. So we have a 3 profit center, different plants. One is manufacturing plant of 100. That is nothing but Patancheru manufacturing plant. Next one, Balnagar manufacturing plant. Next one, Guntur manufacturing plant. And after that, under BI02 company code, we have one manufacturing plant, which is in Mumbai, Thane, and which the profit center is B2000. Clear? And we have one more company called BU01. Under that, we have a manufacturing plant in San Francisco, Fremont, okay, MP300. And under that, we have B3000, Birla Fremont Profit Center. So this is called node, structure of profit center standard hierarchy. Interview point of view question, how many nodes we can have profit center standard hierarchy? So we can have total 9 nodes or 9 levels, and any level should end with profit center. If any node is not ending with the profit center, then that level or node is considered as an incomplete hierarchy. Any questions on this? Any questions? Okay. So now we will do few changes in the profit center. So in case, right? So write down profit center, change profit center. Change profit center. Write down the path. Path SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. general ledger, master records, profit center, individual processing, change, transaction code KE52, So I'll go here. I'll go back. So here, this is standard hierarchy. So individual processing. So here you can see change KE52. KE52 change. So KE52 is the T code. Okay, double click on this. So for example, which profit center we want to change. So for example, we have created B2000. See this one, Thane profit center. I would like to change in this B2000, press enter. So these are the details we have. So I'll change analysis period. Click on, I'm changing analysis period. Click on analysis period. So 1/4/2022. So I'll make this as an 1/4/23. I'll make this as an 23. Okay, I'm just changing the analysis period. 1/4/2023. So click on confirm. I'm changing the person also. From this date to this date. I'm just changing to any name. I'm just giving a vague name. So 2022 and click on save button. Click on save button. When we save it, it will show it as a, it will go to deactivated. So it will show you this inactive status. So here we need to activate it. Click on activate button. Click on activate button. So profit center B2000 has been changed. Okay. So next one, write down display.
What is my question is,
Yes.
can we not change completely the number of the profit center, or only we can make
No,
the
no,
changes?
for that we need to delete the profit center and we need to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. That also I'll show the delete button. Okay. Next one, display. Display changes. Path same as above. Till individual processing. Path same as above till individual processing. From there, select display changes. Display changes. Display changes. KEA, or you can have display, only display KE53. KE 53 or only display. If you want display, then it will show you KE 53. Okay, if we want to see with the changes, then 6K EA. Only display, we have KE 53 and display changes. Complete only changes we want to see 6K EA. Okay, I'll go with the display changes. I'll go with the display B2000, B2000. And one more thing, I'll change it. Sorry, I'll change one more thing here. KE 52 only. I'll change the analysis period. 2000. Click on change analysis period. Change analysis period. 1/4/2022 to 31/3. Thirty-one, 3, 2023. So from this period to this period, so I'm just changing valid to confirm. So Brahma Rao means the old person. After that, 31st March, the new person has taken the charge. Okay. So click on save button. So this period to this period, Brahma Rao. From this period, analysis period, 31/23. Next one, analysis period, 1/4/2023. So I'm changing 3 to 31/12/1999. Adinarayan. So here 1/4/2023 to 31/12/999 for B2000. Earlier, there was another person. From 1st April onwards, the person has changed. So now click on save button. One particular period, one person, and after that, another person. So, okay. So display changes. Now we will see. Display changes 6K EA. 6K EA display changes. Only display KE 53. Display changes 6K EA. B2000 profit center. Whatever profit center we have done the changes. Click on all changes button. Click on all changes button. See here. Click on all changes button. Old value Brahma Rao. A new value is okay. New value is Brahma Rao. New value is Adinarayana CH. So we can see the details. So click on details button. Okay. So 15/5/2023 onwards, person responsible 1/4/2023, valid till 2031. So see, old value was Brahma Rao and new value is Adinarayana. So complete details we can see on which date we have changed, which time we have changed, right? And who is what was the old value and what is the latest value. Okay, complete details it will show. Here Any questions? Any questions on this? So write down delete profit center. Finally, I want to delete the profit center. Write down delete profit center. Delete profit center. Delete profit center. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till individual processing. Till individual processing. Till individual processing. And from there select delete profit center. Delete profit center. Transaction code KE54. Transaction code KE54. Transaction code KE54. Delete profit center. So double click on profit center. So give whatever profit center we want to delete. Give that profit center B2000. Press enter. So it will show you all the details. Okay. So here click on mark for deletion. Click on mark for deletion. So the profit center will not be used. Okay. Click on mark for deletion. Okay. We have selected mark for deletion. Okay. And click on activate button. Click on activate button. So what again, one more thing we need to remember. If the profit center is empty, in the sense no transactions has been posted to this profit center, then only we can delete the profit center. If any transactions are posted to related to this particular profit center or any master data, right, we can't delete it. If any transactions are there to that particular master data or profit center or whatever, GL accounts or whatever it is, we can't delete them. If it is empty, nothing is there, then we can delete it. Clear? So we have not done any transaction to this one, so we can delete it. Okay, empty profit center, we can delete at any point of time. And click on. So here I have activated. Then it will ask deleting profit center. Do you want to delete? Really want to delete this profit center? Do you really want to delete this profit center? So if you want to delete, click on yes button. Click on yes button. Okay. If not, no. Okay. So here, profit center has been deleted. 2000. Okay. Now, if you go to standard hierarchy, B2000 we have deleted. So we can see in standard hierarchy. So we can see here. See, 2000 profit center. See, nothing has been activated. So no profit center. See, you can see this note. Right? We don't have profit center 2000 here. Company code BI02, manufacturing plant 200. But under that, we don't have any profit center like this. Got it? So because we have deleted this. So if I want to create again, so go back. So if I want to create once again, okay, I will go with the individual processing, KE51 and KE51. So once again, I'll create. Okay, 1/4/2021, 2022. So I'm creating once again. So we can delete and we can create it. 1/4/2022. Last year. HANA, right? HANA Profit Center. Your personal responsible. Create Adi Narayana CH. Department, Mumbai. Profit Center Group. MP200. So if you don't remember, then you can click here. So all our profit centers will be shown here. So Mumbai Thane Profit Center, manufacturing plant and segment. So which segment it does belongs to. So here we are creating profit center and we are linking segment. Steel segment. Use steel segment. So automatically when we entered profit center, automatically the segment will be picked from here. So we are integrating profit center with segment. So the user will not enter at the time of recording the transaction. The segment will not be recorded. Profit center will be recorded by the user. Automatically, the segment will be picked from the profit center. Now next, company codes. Click on company codes. So which company code it is? BI02. So uncheck these two. Okay. So next, activate.
Naveen, segment what you have taken is wrong.
Steel segment.
Birla you have taken all right.
Sorry. Acha, I have taken wrong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll change it. KE52. 2000. Okay, we need to again delete this. Thank you. Steel segment, right? It got deleted. Now KE51. 2000. $2,001 for 2022. Birla Thane Profit Center. Birla Thane Profit Center. Mumbai. MP200. BST. Okay, so company code. Uncheck BU01, BI01. So now save it. It's first activated. That's it. It got activated. Now you can see in hierarchy, standard hierarchy. Individual. In standard hierarchy. See here. We have deleted. Okay, you can see now 2000. So any questions in this? So we have created the profit center. We have first created the hierarchy. We have created the groups. We have created the subgroups, and we have created the profit center. We have done the changes in the profit center. We have deleted the profit center, and again we have created the profit center. Any questions on this? Any questions? So with this, we have done with the configuration part. Next one, right now, we are entering into the submodule now. So till here, we have done the only configuration part. So this is very important to run our submodule successfully. So here we need to focus more on the configuration. Okay, now put a heading as in GL master. GL master. Okay. Put a heading as in GL master. So GL masters. So GL master, put a heading as in GL master. GL is nothing but general ledger master. So write down GL masters can be created under 3 areas. 3 areas. Okay, 3 areas we can create GL masters. First one, chart of accounts area. Chart of accounts area. So transaction code FSP0. FSP0. Next one, company code area. Company code area and FSS0. FSS0. And next one we can create centrally. It's a combination of your chart of accounts area and company code area. So that is nothing but central. FS00. Okay. So we can create chart of accounts area, company code area, and at central. So when we are creating chart of accounts at chart of accounts area, GL masters, then what we need to focus? Okay. First one. So what are the things we need to focus? Chart of accounts area. What are the things we need to mention in FSP0? FSP0. What are the things we need to do? We need to give GL account number. GL account number. Next one, chart of accounts. First, we need to mention GL account number. Next, this GL account number comes under, this is a mandatory one. Next one, we need to specify chart of accounts. Which chart of accounts we are creating the GL account, that we need to specify. Then we need to make, after chart of accounts, we need to specify general data. We need to specify general data. In general data, we will give, under general data, we will give account group, account type. Account type is, account type is very important. So you can put star mark for this. So means whatever account, GL account we are creating, that comes under which account type, either it is comes under a P&L account or a balance sheet. So if we are selecting incorrect one, then all your financial reports will go wrong. Clear? So that's the reason selection of account type is very important. Here, if you are selecting an asset under a profit and loss account or an expense under a balance sheet item, then account type, then the entire financial reports will go wrong. So that is the reason Clear? Any questions? Just write it down till here. General data, account type, account group, account type. So here you can write it as a balance sheet or okay. So P&L account. Okay, so this selection is very important. The next one, functional area. So if it is a profit and related GL account, then only applicable to only P&L account, functional area. Okay. So if it is related to P&L account item, we are creating GL account for P&L account item, then only the functional area will be activated. If it is related to balance sheet item, clear, then the functional area will be automatically deactivated. When we select balance sheet or P&L account, then automatically this particular, if you are selecting balance sheet item, you have selected balance sheet item. For example, I'll show you. I'm directly going to FS00. See here. See here, profit and loss account and balance sheet items. So you, whatever account group you are selecting here, you are selecting whatever account group. See, all the account groups we have already created, correct? So if we are selecting, if it is related to balance sheet item, expenditure item, then we need to select P&L account. Then the functional area will be activated. If you are selecting balance sheet item, then the functional area will be deactivated. Clear? That is nothing but your department. Fine. Any questions here? So you can write here only for P&L accounts. Only for P&L. Next one, short text. Short text up to 20 characters. So we can give short text. See here, short text and long text. So long text. So long text, maximum we can give 50 characters. So when we are creating a chart of accounts area FSP0, then we need to give these details. Okay, coming to company code area. Coming to company code area, the second one, company code area, that is nothing but FSS0. Okay, company code area. Company code area. That is nothing but FSS0. So we need to mention. We need to mention. We need to mention same GL account number. We need to mention GL account number. We need to give company code here. Company code. Next one. So we have here control data. We need here general data, control data. We need to specify control data. Under control data, we need to specify account currency. The important thing. Okay. For example, so for example, company code. So here the most important thing, for example, we are creating under BI01 company code. So what is the company code currency here for BI01? what is the company code currency?
INR.
INR, right? For example, it's an INR. So BI01 is an, okay, BI01 is an Indian company, and when we give company code, automatically it will copy account currency as an INR. Okay. Account currency as an INR. Write down a note here under this. Very important this is. Write down a note. So write down a note here. So just write it down meanwhile. Write down. If the account currency same as, if the account currency same as, if the account currency is same as company code currency, if the account currency same as company code currency, if the account currency is same as company code currency, company code currency, company code currency, then, or you can write a system allows postings in, system allows postings in system allows postings in local currency, system allows postings in local currency and as well as foreign currency to that particular account, to that particular GL account, to that particular GL account. Write down under that only. If the account currency, if the account currency is different from company code currency, if the account currency is different from company code currency, then system allows transactions, system allows transactions only in account currency, only in account currency, only in account currency. Only in account currency. Is this clear? Is this clear? See, what does it mean in the sense? For example, my company code is BI01, right? Company code currency is INR, and I'm creating one expense GL. Expense GL, for example, rent GL, I'm creating under GL account number something 43000000. Okay. So here I have taken account currency. My company code currency is INR and account currency is also INR. Then, okay. Then what does it mean? Company code currency is same as an account currency. And we have received an invoice, paid rent. Okay, paid rent 3,000 in USD. Paid rent in USD. Then when we are trying to post the entry, because it will check this account, rent account is nothing but 43000000, right? It will check this GL account currency and company code currency is one and the same. Okay, then we can, if both are same, then only we can post any transaction in local currency and as well as foreign currency for this particular GL account. In case if your GL account currency, you have mentioned it as an euro. Okay, your company code currency is INR and your GL account is, the account is created under euro, right? Currency as mentioned as an euro, and you have received invoice in USD, or INR, Okay, okay, then the company code currency is different from your GL account currency. Then the system will allows only for this particular GL account, only euro currency. Other than euro currency, it will not allow to enter the transaction in any other currency, right? So can we enter this? Can we record this particular transaction? Paid rent 3,000 in INR. Can we? Yes or no? Your company code currency is different from your account currency. So whenever both are different, then the system will not allow us to post the transaction in any other currency apart from your account currency. Any questions on this? Any questions? Again, this is also one of important interview point of question. What happens if your company code currency is different from your account currency, GL account currency? Yes, no?
Yes, Naveen.
Next one, account currency. The next one, only balance in local currency. Only balance in local currency. So we need to put a checkbox for this. We need to put a checkbox for this for all currencies, for all accounts except cash and bank account. I'll tell you why. We need to check this for all accounts, GL accounts except cash and bank, because we may receive cash in different currencies. We may receive checks in different currencies to bank. So that's the reason. Write down a note. By selecting the above checkbox, 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 ledger report will show, ledger report will show in local currency. Ledger report will show only in local currency. Only in local currency. Only in local currency. Next one. Tax category. Tax category. We will put it as a star. Okay. Okay. So what does it mean? Tax category. If any GL account want to calculate tax, then we need to put a star mark. Star mark is nothing but applicable for all taxes, input tax, output tax, and everything. Okay. Output tax, clear? Both it will, if it is star. Only input tax, then, okay, here you can see here. In control data, see here. You have a tax one. So here you can see only input tax allowed, only output tax allowed, star, all tax types, input tax account. Okay. So these are the symbols. So always prefer to select all tax types are allowed. That is nothing but star. Okay. So normally we will, but we are not going to do in the basic GL module right now, because when we do the tax module at that particular point of time, we will do this tax category thing. Okay. Next one, posting without tax allowed. Next one, posting without tax allowed. Okay, this is also put a checkbox. Okay. Okay. Means write down this, posting without tax allowed by selecting the above checkbox. By selecting the above checkbox. By selecting the above checkbox. By selecting the above checkbox, the GL accounts will be updated. The GL accounts will be updated. The GL accounts will be allowed. The GL accounts will be allowed with the tax or without tax. Allowed with the tax or without tax. Without tax postings. Okay. So if we select this option, then if the transaction is not having any tax, then we can post it. Okay. If the transaction is having a tax, then also we can post it by selecting posting tax allowed. Posting without tax allowed. If you select this, then with tax we can post it. Without tax also we can post it for this particular GL account. Okay. And these things we will discuss in tax module. This two, tax category and posting without tax allowed. Next one, open item management. Open item management. This is also checkbox. This is also very important, open item management. Write down this. By selecting the above checkbox, open item management. By selecting the above checkbox, 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 system will show outstanding list, outstanding list, and cleared item list, outstanding list and cleared item list separately. Cleared item list separately. Outstanding list. Right down. One more point. This option needs to be selected. This option needs to be selected. This option need to be selected. Only balance sheet accounts need to be selected. Only balance sheet accounts. Only balance sheet accounts. Only balance sheet account. And that too, only balance sheet account, and that too outstanding expenses, that too only outstanding expenses, comma, outstanding incomes or incomes to be received, outstanding incomes or income to be received, loan accounts, tax payables account, tax payable account, and tax receivable accounts. Okay. Loan accounts, tax payables account, tax receivables account, and next one, prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses. Okay. So at that, so first of all, whenever we are selecting open item management, we need to see here, this is open item management. So this particular option, whenever we want to select first, that should be, that account should comes under a balance sheet item. Then only we can, P&L account items are not eligible to select open item management. Again, in balance sheet also, what are the items it will not come every balance sheet item. Clear? Not current liabilities or something. So all outstanding expenses, expenses. Next one, all accrued incomes, all prepaid expenses, all unaccrued incomes, tax receivables, tax payables. So these all category comes under open item management. Clear? So we will discuss each and every point when we do the creation of open item management. But meanwhile, remember that open item management will eligible for only balance sheet items. Clear? Either assets or liabilities. And again, under that also, the this thing is only outstanding expenses, outstanding items, you can say, right? Outstanding expenses, all right, prepaid expenses, accrued incomes, unaccrued incomes, tax payables, tax receivables. Only for those items we need to select open item management. Any questions? Okay. If we select for profit and loss account item, then it will show an error message. Okay, next option. Next one, line item display. Next item, line item display. Line item display. Line item display. So it's nothing but drilling down. We are posting an entry. We are in balance sheet. So we are showing trade receivable. Okay, write down below to that. Write down below to that. Write down below to that. Drill down reporting is possible. Drill down reporting is possible with this option. What do you mean by drill down reporting? For example, we are viewing balance sheet. Clear? And there are showing trade payables is 22 lakhs. Okay, but I want to see 22 lakhs is related to one vendor or number of vendors. So if you double click on trade payables, then it will go to your trial balance. If you click on trade payables, right, it will lead to particular ledger to transaction. So from top to bottom, we can come down. That is called drill down. If we are not selecting line item display option, then the drill down reporting is not possible. Clear? Fine. Any questions here? Any questions? Yes, no. Next one, sort key. So if you don't have any questions, I'll move. Sort key. Sort key. Okay. So how you want to report, how you want to sort the reports, right? For example, you are viewing at customer line item or vendor line item, GL line item. So how we want to sort it out from top to hierarchy? Like then normally we will go with the posting date. That is nothing but 001. There are number of options are there. 001. Normally any report we will check with 001. That is nothing but posting date. Write down this. Write down based on sort key. Based on sort key. Based on sort key. Based on sort key, the ledger balance will appear. Based on sort key, the ledger balance will appear. The ledger balance will appear. Okay. In ledger report, we have a number of columns. That is nothing but posting date, document date, clear? Debit column, credit columns, right? So how you want to sort? How you want to sort out? Right? How we want to sort out? So normally we will sort out with the posting date. That is nothing but 001. So here you can see sort date, see sort key. We have a number of options here. See here 001 posting date, document number and fiscal year, document date, branch accounts. So majority like value date, nothing but for cash and bank transactions, we'll select value date. Clear? And same time for vendor number 01 to how you want to. So by vendor, if it is AB postings, then we will select 012. But for GL account, majority we will select posting date. Clear? So any report if you want to view, then we can select with posting date. So by default, majority we will select 001 only in GL module. Okay. So if you want anything, we can select here. Any questions here? This is about your. So that's it about your control data under company code area. We have one more tab, create bank interest tab. Bank interest tab. Okay. Okay. So here, field under this, it will come field status group. Field status group. So we have selected field status group 13 to 14. Out of field 14, we are going to give only 4 account groups. For example, you can see here field status group. So the last one, create bank interest. So we have created field status groups. That is ours is U related. We have created U related. Ours is B, right? Sorry. B. This is G standard. Let me show here. Here it is not showing BU, right? B01. BI01. BI01. 1 second. See here, B001. See here, these are the things we have already created. Out of this 14 or 15, what are the things we use normally in the sense? I'll write here also, those also field status groups. So normally we have created B001. This is for balance sheet items. This is for balance sheet items. Balance sheet accounts. Next one, B004. B004. B004 cost accounts. So in real time also, normally we use only this for GL module. B004, next one, B005. Generally in real time, here it will show it as in G. Okay. But here we have created according to our requirement. B005. This is for cash and bank accounts. cash and bank accounts. Next one, B029, 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 revenue accounts. Revenue accounts. So these are the 4 to 5 we are going to use it. Okay, so these are the 4 to 5 field status groups we are going to select. Okay, next thing is under field status group, post automatically. Okay, next one, post automatically. Post automatically. Automatically only. Okay, so few GL accounts, it will trigger automatically. For example, yesterday we have created last session, zero balance clearing account that need to be select automatically. So here you can see here. See here, post automatically only. Means wherever the difference occurs, then automatically this GL account will be get pop up. Clear? So we have a what we call payment difference account, zero balance ledger account. Clear? Retained earnings account. So those things will be automatically updated. Okay. Next one more option we have, relevant to cash flow. So this option we will select only for relevant to cash flows. We will select for cash and bank accounts. Cash and bank accounts. We'll select only for this. Okay. Cash and bank accounts only for relevant to cash flow. Okay. Next one, bank details. So this we are going to discuss in banking module. Bank details. Under bank details, we need to provide house bank details, and account IDs. So this will talk about bank accounting module, each and everything. Clear? Next one, interest indicator. Interest indicator. So this will be related to your loans and your advances. Interest calculation. Clear? This is about your company code data. This is about your company code data. So chart of accounts area, company code area, and last but not least, you have centrally. 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 Okay. So in real time, right, most of the users, majority 99.9%. Okay. So central is nothing but your FS00 transaction code. And here also we are going to use first one, general ledger creation. We will do the separately. After that, we will do combination transaction code FS00. Right? It is a combination of, okay, it's a combination of company code data, plus chart of account data. That's it. I don't want to give everything. Chart of account data. We need to give. Fine. So how it looks like? GL account number. GL account number. company code VI01. VI01. Next one, under company code data, we will give general data, general data. Next one, control data. Control data. Next one, create bank and interest. That's it. Any questions here?
No, Naveen.
Clear, right? So tomorrow we will start with the ledger creation part. GL module
Okay.
creations. Is that fine, everyone?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And try to join at 7:30 tomorrow onwards so that we will speed up things.
Okay.
Thank you.